Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In today's video we are going to talk about the collision, okay? We are going to talk about the collision modifier in Blender. Okay, let's first of all delete all these and let's add a cube and let's scale it like this, and let's put a UV sphere and make it smaller and bring it up like this. And what I'm going to do is that I will tell Blender that make this a collision. What does collision mean is that is a face or a surface or object that when something is falling it will not let fall. This is the simple definition. Will collide with it, or it will not let it to pass down. Okay, so I'm going to modify, and here is the physics. I'm going to put this as a collisions. Okay, and what I'm going to do is that I'm selecting this and I'm going to put this one as a soft body. Why? Because I want this one to drop off, and so the collision of this one will not let it go more. Okay, so I will let this one like this. If we need any change we will change it, but not right now. I'll smooth it and let's play it, and you see something like this happen. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to the settings and put this one here, and I'm going to add the kilograms. Maybe I'll add 15 kilograms. Okay, and let's play it again and let's see. Something like this happened. You see? It's like, you see, it's funny. We see these things in the cartoons. You see? And let us go back and put it like this. And what I'm going to do is that make it maybe 6 kilograms and let's play it, and you can see it's not falling down because the kilogram is less. Let's put it 10 like this, something like this. Okay, so let's go back and we can maybe change something here. Damping, change the damping and change the permeability, and we will talk about this later on. Okay, not right now. Let me make this one 15 as it is, and let's start seeing what happens to it. Okay, something like this happened. Okay, so this is only showing you how to put collisions and soft bodies. Later on we will talk more in detail. We will have a series about these things, but not right now because our focus is on how to use it, not to go into detail. Just show you where is it. Okay, so you can be familiar with it. Okay, I hope this tutorial was helpful, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.